Good morning everybody and welcome again to the multiple sequence alignment module. Today we'll talk about navigation and find pattern in Jalview. This is lecture 3. Today we'll talk about how to navigate Jalview interface. As we see, Jalview have many windows that can be navigated. One of the main window is the alignment window. This is where you can edit and visualize your alignment. Of course, any change in this alignment window will make change in the tree window and the structure window. You can see that there is two editing modes in Jalview. The first is a normal mode and the second is a cursor mode. Normal mode is where you can edit and navigate using the mouse, and the cursor mode is where you can edit and navigate using the keyboard. You can switch between both of them using the F2 key. First, the navigation. As we said, that the Jalview always start up at the normal mode, so it's the default mode when you start up Jalview. It's very simple. You can move around your sequences using the mouse. Also, you can move to column or residue just using your mouse. You can just click on the ID of the sequence to go to specific sequence, or go to specific column using also the mouse, and it's not that hard to find out or locate any residue you would like to find. Also, you can click on the ruler to select a specific column. To find a specific residue, you can go and in the specific column and specific sequence to find a specific residue. Status bar is very important to find out where you are located now. Always take care of this bar and look where are you right now. For example, inside this multiple alignment sequence, you just look at this status bar. It can tell you the sequence ID, the name of the amino acid, and the number of the amino acid. You can always use the scrolling bar to move horizontally, also to move vertically. As you can see, this bar is very important to move vertically or to move horizontally. The overview window is a very important if you have a big alignment. It can be reached through the view menu and then choose the overview window. And this is very helpful when you are having a large alignment. This is the overview window and can tell you exactly where you are in these sequences. And of course, the red box in the overview window shows the current view in the window. If you would like to close all windows, simply go to the window menu and then close all. This will help you to close all opened windows. Cursor mode is the second mode of navigating Jalview. You can always switch between normal mode and cursor mode. Use the F2 key for PC or F2 key plus function for Mac. In cursor mode, you always use the keyboard and you can move inside the sequence using arrows. And you can easily find any sequence. Just press S. For example, you can press the number of the sequence you'd like to go to, then press 7 and then S. S will take you directly to the sequence number 7. If you would like to go to a specific column, just press the number of the column, then press C. This will take you to the column number 18, for example. If you would like to go a specific position, for example, position number 18, then you can press the position number, like here, for example, 18, and then press P. Then it will take you to the position number 18. Just take care that there is difference between column and position. In column, it didn't count these two spaces, but when you type 18P, so this means this is position number 18, they did not count these two gaps. So these two spaces is not counted. So when you put position 18 or 18B, he did not count them. So that's why you will find yourself in the column number 20. If you'd like to go to a specific column and specific residue, just press the number of the column first and then comma, number of the sequence, and then press enter or return. I'd like to go to column number 5 and sequence number 13, you can just type 5, 13 and then return or enter. Always you can switch between the two navigating modes by pressing F2 to change from cursor mode to other mode. Always you can change or switch between modes using the F2 key. Remember, in the cursor mode, you always need to move inside your sequences using the arrows. Let's remember together, to jump to sequence, you just type the number of your sequence and then press S. If you'd like to move to any column, just press the number of your column and press C. If you'd like to go to a specific position, just the number of your position and then press P. And then if you'd like to go to a specific column and row, so you first put the number of the column, then comma, then put the number of the row, and then press return or enter. And always try to remember that you can switch between modes using F2 key. Now we'll go to the last part, which is how to find sequence. It's very easy. You can go to the menu select and then find. This will allow you to find specific pattern in your sequence and count how many of these patterns exist in your sequences. Just press select and then from the select menu you can choose find, put your pattern, then press find next. You can see first you have to go to select menu, then find, then put your pattern, and then you can find your pattern inside your sequence, and also you can see how many of your pattern exist and matches can be found in your sequence. This exercise will help you to navigate through the Jalview sequences, and it's very easy, and try to on your own time see the difference between these two possible navigating methods exist in Jalview. Thank you and see you in the next part.